Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear browsing history on iPhone. It's really simple and easy. I will show you a couple of different ways. So if you want to be super safe about it, make sure your history is erased. Do both of the things I'm gonna show you how to do. So the first thing is we want to launch Safari. So on Safari, on the bottom of the page, you should see this double squares that will show you all the tabs that you have open, and next to it, you should see this bookmark icon. Tap on this bookmark and this is all the things that are browsed here. So I could either go ahead, go to the slide of the left and delete this one here, individual, or I could press this edit, select all of them and simply tap on the delete button. Tap on edit, tap on select all and simply tap on delete, and this will delete all of your history. So that's the one way, but let me show you an easier way. I don't have to even press the bookmark. What I do is I am going for the settings here, and on the settings, if you come down here for Safari, search for the Safari app, tap on it, and now here you have to scroll down and you should see clear history and website data. You have to tap on it. As you can see, mine is graying out because I don't have the history now, but you have to tap on it and you can easily clear all the browsing history on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.